It would be sweet if you had some page transitions for the main content, but we don't really want to animate things such as the navigation and the sidebar. So we really just want to animate the main part when we're navigating across these links, right? So we can do that, creating a transition component, and then we're going to wrap it around the slot component in the home layout, right? So we need to know when the URL changes, which we can use the page store value from Svelte to pass as a prop to the transition component, which is going to have a key block, the same trick we used in the previous video, and is going to destroy and recreate the content when the URL changes. So we're going to first create the component inside components. So let's go into source, components, and then let's create transition svelte, and then let's create it. Say script, language, TypeScript, you know it. And then we can specify the prop. It's going to be a URL of type URL. So here we're going to specify the key block. Let me just close the key block, and here is going to be our animation. So we can say it's going to be a div, and it's just going to have a slot that's going to get past whatever it is inside, right? And thanks to the key block, it's going to unmount and mount it then again, right? Yeah, so we can just create the animation. Same for the landing page. In fly, we're going to say y minus 50. I'm going to say duration 250, delay 300 milliseconds. And again, to reiterate, we need a delay. So when we're doing an entering animation for another page, it doesn't overlap, right? So we can add the same thing here, and we don't need the delay. So yeah, that's it. And let me see. Yeah, so we just need to specify the animation. If we go here, we can say import fly. Let's see how powerful. Oh, no auto completion, shame. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, right? This is how simple it is to do page transitions in SvelteKit. So let's add it. If I go here, let me just search for Control P and just type layout, and let's see, our layout is in home, right? So we want source, routes, home. Beautiful. Yeah, so we can import, so we know what page we're on. We can import the page prop from app stores, which is wonderful. And then inside our main here, we have our slot here. We just need to wrap this. This is our main content. Yeah, so we can use that component. We can say transition, which should be imported. We're going to pass it the prop. Since it's a store, we're going to say page URL, and it's going to rerun, right? Let's just pass it like this. And yeah, this should be it. So let me go back and let me refresh for good measures, but let's go back to our landing page. So if I zoom out to 90%, we can share a hot take, look at the animation. Ooh, that's sweet. Chef's kiss, right? Then you can go profile, settings, about. Ooh, that's already so much smoother. And you can see how simple this is to implement. So catch you in the next one.